This is our ATEX drum tumbler. It can mix lots of different sizes and types of drums. We have a collection of them here. Drum is loaded onto this base plate. So for this one, we're using our side shifter pelletizer. It connects to the drum. We pump the handle at the back to lift the drum off the pallet. Use the handle to maneuver the drum around. So with this one, we can position the drum where we want to line up with the head. This drum's full of water, so it weighs about 218 kilos, and you can see how easy it is to pump the drum up, bring it up to the full height, and then we wheel it into the head. Make sure it's all the way to the back of the head, keeping it pushed in, making sure it's nice and central, and then we lower the drum down. We then can release the catch. You can also put this back in the middle. This makes it easier to maneuver. If I maneuver it around, you can see the front here where the drum is connected. We just move this out of shot. Okay, so the drum's in the base there. We can see down that it's sitting firmly on the base, nice and square. This is the clamp beam. So clamp beam's not very heavy. So grab the clamp beam, put it on top of the drum. We then lift up these side beams here, and this screw goes in the top there, and the same on the other side. Make sure it's sitting on top of the drum here, and then to do it first, just to bring up these up into the slots. So we're not tightened it yet, but we're making sure that we're secure and we're in and the beam's nice and level. Then don't have to be super tight, it's just a nice, no daylight here, no daylight here, it's nice and secure, and we're ready to close the gates and start mixing. This is our drum adapter. So what it enables you to do is you take these clips out, so just an over-center clip on both sides, and you can adjust this crucifix up and down in the frame. You can even turn it over. Then these spikes down the bottom go through holes on the base plate. So an extreme example of versatility is putting this very small 35-litre drum into the head, which is probably the smallest you're likely to do. So I'm just going to show you how it fits, but you can literally put in a 50, 60, 70, 80, 120 litre drum using this frame. So how it works is the two prongs there go through a hole in the bottom of the plate. So that's here, and they must be located in, so they must stick out the bottom of the plate. So you're just adjusting the height of this so it's on top. Then we clamp it like the normal 200-litre drum. So this goes over the top on that bar there. So clamp it the way we did before, and then use our T-bar So that's it, that's our drum. So what I'll do now, I'll close the gates and we'll spin this one so you can have a look. So now looking at the control panel, first thing, E-stop. Press down, function will stop. To reset, turn, and it pops back up. The air pressure gauge is here, and this just tells you how much air pressure you have coming into your airline feeding the unit. Then we have this control here. If we turn it one way, we turn to run, and the other way is jog. So jog is when you want to just slowly bring the head round. This one adjusts speed, so we can turn this out to go faster, or turn it in to go slower. And then once we've finished mixing, we can just press stop, and then we can open the gates and take the drum out.